How to select the best affiliate programs for your niche market. Associate marketing is one of the most prominent and effective techniques to generate income from a blog or website. Nonetheless, choosing the best partner programs for your niche can be a daunting duty. With therefore lots of partner systems and courses available, it may be overwhelming to decide which ones to market on your website. In this post, we will certainly review how to choose the ideal partner courses for your niche market. 1. Recognize your viewers. The first step in opting for the greatest associate systems for your niche market is to recognize your audience. Who are they? What are their passions? What troubles do they possess that you can solve via the products or solutions you ensure? Understanding your audience is important because it assists you determine which products or services will certainly reverberate with them. For example, if you function a physical fitness blog, promoting body weight loss supplements might be a good fit for your audience. 2. Look for quality products. Once you know your viewers' demands and enthusiasms, it's time to look for top-quality products that fulfill those demands. Advertising low-quality products may destroy your online reputation and reliability with your target market. Look for products that are well reviewed by customers, deliver reasonable pricing, and have high conversion prices, the amount of individuals who acquire after clicking on an associate web link. When picking a partner program, think about both the commission fee and the product's rate point. For example, ensuring a $10 product with a 50% percentage price would make you $5 every sale, while marketing a $500 product along with a 10% commission price would make you $50 every sale. 4. Look into the affiliate program and network. Just before signing up for an affiliate program, carry out some analysis on the program and the network that organize it. Look for customer reviews from various other partners, inspect their settlement terms and disorders, and help make sure they have a good image in the sector. Additionally, think about the systems tracking modern technology. Make certain they offer reliable monitor to make sure you receive credit history for every purchase or lead generated by means of your associate hyperlinks. 5. Think about promotional materials.